G'day guys, Mad Matt here. Well, today I'm following up on a video, or a little video I shared some weeks ago, and it was about soldering, and the video showed us, you know, how to do this fancy solder joint, and it was military wrap and NASA approved and fair dinkum. It was a diabolical story. Anyway, out of that post came the suggestion to check out these things called solder sleeves. So I thought I'd show you how they work. I'd never heard of them, okay? But I think I like them. Now, for all of you who are going to pipe on here and say, well, if you can't do a proper solder joint with a solder on, you ain't a real sparky. I'm a motor mechanic, all right? So I ain't a real sparky anyway. And something like this, hey, it's cool. It's new. And let's face it, once upon a time, four-wheel drives were a new thing. And we adopted that. So there might be nothing wrong with adopting something new. All right, enough of the rant. Okay, so I've just done that joint there. And it's just tickety-boo. Now, let me grab this one out just to show you. So, see that middle bit there? That's actually a low-temperature solder. The white bit, the whole sleeve, is a heat shrink. And these bits at the end, the yellowy bits, that's actually like a glue that makes the joint waterproof. So right there, look at that. I don't know if my phone will focus to that. Let's see. Not quite. Oh, there you go. That's a perfectly soldered joint. Okay, so this is for my little water pump, which is on my water tank in the back of the Land Cruiser. Okay, so what I thought, if you're still interested, I'm going to try and do one of these joints for you. Now, I'm holding a phone, so we'll see if we can do it all at the same time. Come on, phone, focus. Focus. Doesn't want to focus. Alright. Oh, this is hard one-handed. You know those little bits of wire that want to catch on everything? Okay, so... Oh, come on. Okay, pick up another one. I got these off eBay. And I think it was like 15 bucks for this little pack. Which, to be honest, would be pretty good in the four-wheel drive, just in your parts kit. Because all you're going to use is a come on, phone, get with it. All you're going to use is a heat gun, a cigarette lighter, something like that, to do the heat. Sorry, this is taking a long time. I'm sure you can appreciate I'm one-handed at the moment. Okay, so that's all you do. Can you see? Come on, phone, get with me. Okay, so I've joined those two together. Now, I'll get the heat gun, like this. See, it's starting to shrink. Okay, that's the heat shrink gone. Now we'll do the solder bit. Can you see the solder melting? Alright, we'll come in from the other side. There you go. That is it. How cool is that? That is fantastic. Anyway, so there you go. That's a solder sleeve. I reckon they are just the duck's guts for so much of the wiring that we do in the four drives, where you can't get two hands, you can't get a, you know, I've got a little device that holds both sides of the wires so you can solder them together, and just messy. Whereas I literally did that one hand because the other hand's holding the phone. I'm a fan. All right, love to hear your thoughts. And don't tell me, I'm old school. You can do that if you want. I like new school. All right, guys, have a good day.